This is delicious. You gotta try it. After watching this video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Turn that notification button. That will let you know when I post something new. Enjoy. Let's see how I did this. Here I'm going to be marinating the chicken to grill it. My plan was to grill it outside in the grill, but now it's raining. So we are gonna bake it in the oven. Fry bake. So here we go. This time I am going to not remove any skin so that we can end up with a nice crispy chicken. Excited about really doing this outside. So I feel like to cut this. Good for chicken, be good to have like a fresh one. But we got the time, we got a little bit of salt, we have some black pepper, we have some onion salt, onion salt, savory onion salt. Very nice. It's nice. It's mixed with rosemary, and then all spice. All spice. Some goodies. Very good. And some cayenne pepper to make it a little more spicy. Spicy boy. And I'm gonna put a little bit of color. I want some color to it. Wrap it up, put it in the fridge for about an hour, and I'll be ready to cook this baby. Okay, now I'm ready to put the chicken in the oven. Put it this side first. Okay. And then I'm gonna drizzle it with a little bit of oil. Frying and baking it at the same time. Yep. Alright, the oven is at 430 degrees and I'm gonna bake it now. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I just took it out of the oven so I can baste it on top. You see how good it looks? I'm going to put this little bit on top here on each of these so it doesn't become dry. Take it out of the oven. See how good it looks. Wow.